Week 6, Business Intelligence. We'll be reading from Crunkey 2017, Chapter 9, Business Intelligence Systems, CE 12, Database Marketing, CE 13, Reporting Systems in OLAP, or Online Analytical Processing and Data Mining. We'll have weekly discussions. You will create 2 entries for your annotated bibliographies. And there will be a business intelligence article research paper for turn in. And then those 2 new entries, you will submit them as a part of the week 3. So this week we will focus on how organizations use business intelligence systems for competitive advantage. Upon completion of this learning topic, you should be able to articulate what business intelligence systems are in general and the different categories of systems such as data warehouse, marts, and big data. Discuss how information from business intelligence systems is collected, processed, analyzed, and presented to impact business decisions. Discuss how this information can be used ethically and for unethical purposes. So the discussion topics for this week, we're going to be using question number 1. And all of this is under the discussion topic for question 1. And we'll be answering number 3. So again, it'll be question 1 and question 3 for the discussion topics for the week. All right, for the research paper, read the following article and create a research and analysis paper that answers these questions. We'll be reading Junk Food Shortening Lives of Children Worldwide. Data shows. The Garden retrieve from this hyperlink. The questions are as follows. What are the sources of data for the article? How was the data collected? How credible is the data? What business intelligence techniques were used to analyze the data and produce the statistics? Research the country, population, and geography of the countries represented in the statistics. Is it reasonable to compare these countries in the same study? What conclusions in the article derived from the data do you agree with? Justify your answers. What conclusions in the article derived from the data could have a different yet reasonable interpretation? Again, justify your answers. Use the Regis Online Library to locate the original research article containing the data in the Guardian article to support your analysis. This article should be one of your AB submissions for this week. Make sure to answer all of the credibility questions of the AB. Again, your paper should be in APA format and consist of 5 to 7 pages of content, plus title page, abstract, and reference page. You would then submit your paper to the Research Paper 2 Dropbox by midnight Sunday this week. Again, we always have the written assignments grading rubric and the template to go by in case you need an example. At this point, I think everybody's good to go, but if you need to refer back to it, it's always there. Again, add any additional material you may have reviewed while preparing for this week's assignment to your annotated bibliography. Add those 2 entries to your AB. Highlight the new in yellow. You should have at least 2 highlighted from last week and 2 from this week, which would be 4. You will submit your AB to the annotated bibliography part 3 Dropbox by midnight Sunday of this week. And then for information, again, we have the assignments doc, the sample, and the bibliography rubric in which you would use to guide yourselves. So if there are any additional questions, you guys are free to email me with any questions or any issues you may run into, and I will further answer those questions as I get to them.